What's up, everyone? This is Eric with Theme Options Trading, and today we will be discussing the three pillars of options day trading. Before we get started into today's content, I'm going to provide a golf analogy. I think there are a lot of similarities between golf and trading, but I am biased because I love golf. I do think, though, that this provides a good visual of what I'm trying to communicate. So let's take a look at a quote unquote committed golfer. So here is the beginner golfer at the driving range trying to get better. As you can see, there is a lot going on here. There is no way this is going to help this golfer swing. He is trying to focus on way too many things at once. I'm not trying to discount drills, trying to get better, but this golfer is trying to get better at everything at once. That is just not possible. And let's take a look at a really respected golfer, Tiger Woods. Hopefully you know who Tiger Woods is. If not, that's okay. Here is Tiger Woods trying to perfect his craft. No pool noodles, nothing on his head, just swinging the golf club. A quote he had, just go to the driving range and hit balls. All he is worried about is hitting the ball to his target. A very simple thing in his mind. And this is what a lot of traders do. They make the huge mistake of trying to overcomplicate day trading. Day trading is simple. It is not easy. It is simple, and there is no need to overcomplicate it. So what does this look like from a trading perspective? Let's take a look at a quote unquote committed trader. This is a beginner trader. This is actually something that I came up with. I noticed a pattern repeating itself that caused stocks to go up. Okay, so what did I do? I spent over a week trying to find a combination of indicators that would say, yes, buy here, this stock's going to go up. So finally, I perfected this and I put it into action. Day one failed, didn't work. I thought to myself, okay, just one trade, that's fine. Day two, it did work. However, there was a delay of entry and my risk to reward was horrible. I was trying to put my focus elsewhere rather than focusing on one of the main components of day trading, which is price action. So not only was I not focused on that, I wasn't learning and growing because I wasn't focusing on something important. That brings me to an experienced trader. This is what my chart looks like now. I have VWAP there, and then I have my key levels. That's it. No moving averages, no indicators. I'm focused solely on price in this instance. This allows me to focus on the key element of price action without any distractions. So let's talk about the three pillars of options day trading. I've tried to combine everything into three things that it takes to be a successful options day trader. The first thing, technical competency. You cannot be a good options day trader if you do not understand the technical aspect of things. The reason I provided those examples before then, that does not mean let's try to get as complex as possible. No, this just means you need to understand what drives stock movement and the emotions behind it on both sides of the coin, from the buyers and the sellers. Next is screen time. This is textbook experience versus practical experience. Yes, you can know the textbook perfectly, but unless you put it into practice, you're not fully going to grasp it. And this is something that I took for granted. Whenever I was under PDT, I did not watch stocks move. I thought, well, I'm not trading it. There's really no reason to watch how this moves. Boy, was I wrong, and I took this for granted. Watching how stocks move, regardless of if you're in the trade or not, is huge benefit. And if you don't want to paper trade in your head. I would enter here. I would exit here. Was this a winning trade? Yes or no? And why? Watching the screen and watching how stocks moves is so important. Knowing the technical reason behind it adds to this. Last is discipline. You cannot make it as a options day trader if you're not disciplined. You can have all the screen time in the world. You can know everything there is to know about the stock markets, but if you're not disciplined, it's all useless. A lot of people think this is the only thing you need to be successful in day trading. That is simply not true. Yes, it is crucial to be disciplined. You have to be able to control your emotions. Yes, I'm not discounting that. But if you don't know how stocks move, then discipline is only going to get you so far. You're not going to be profitable because you're not going to know what makes a stock go up or what makes a stock go down. If you agree, like this video or comment on it. If you disagree, please comment on it. I'm happy to discuss what you think I'm missing here. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this, and visit my website by clicking the link below. Until next time.